Nandito na kami sa Kapag-Inundo, guys. Dito kami sa kabila dadaan kasi bawal pumasok doon yung sasakyan. Doon kami sa likod sa Gate 6.
Easy Rock. How to avoid gossip at work? Be busy. Gossip mongers want attention. If you're delving into your work, you can't be available to appreciate their latest tales. Stay away from gossip, my friend. Just keep calm and remember today.
Champion Detergent, tapat po sa inyo.
Silka Green Papaya Soap.
Kapag-Hinaldo High School, meron pa sila dito.
Hello there. It's 8:45.
Champion Detergent, tapat po sa inyo.
And Technogas Technique Kitchen Appliances, your cooking partner. That's the Technogas Technique.
Mga anak ng sundalo nag-aaral dyan, guys. Ayan dyan. School nila. Layo pa ng ikutan.
Starwax 4Wax, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. World-class quality.
Dyan. Yan. Dito na kami sa loob ng Kapag-Hinaldo, guys. Headquarters.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Saan mo na lang apply?
In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget, so sorry.
Dito kami sa Kapag-Hinaldo.
Isulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
Si Mami at si Washing Machine, believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mami!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa madyan, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na lupit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon,
siguro gusto
hanggang
na.
ngayon. All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Protectron
Yakult!
with 8 billion live LCS
Yakult!
that may reach the intestines alive.
Yakult!
Helps improve digestion and boost immunity.
Yakult!
With proper diet and exercise,
Yakult!
kaya panalo ka dyan.
Yakult! Panalo ka dyan!
Champion Present, Real Talk sa labahan.
Naninilaw pa rin ang puting damit! Saway ko! Ang sakit-sakit magkasta!
Naglalaba lang yan. Ang drama, no? Mag-new Champion Blue Powder ka na kasi. May optical blue brighteners kaya solid magpaputi. Anti-yellowing din.
Champion? Blue powder?
Yes, Champion. Easy lang. Walang labadrama.
Champion? Tapat po sa inyo.
Delivery! Maria Jose!
Akin yan? Ang laki ng box! Surprise! Ba't ka nasa loob ng box?
Para sa'yo gagawin ko! Tulad ng
Ah?
Pag-ibig One Multi-Purpose Loan. Pwede pang negosyo, tuition, personal needs, at iba pa. Up to 90% ng hulog mo ang pwedeng i-load. No processing fee at fast approval pa. Kaya,
Apply na ng Pag-ibig Fund MPL via Virtual Pag-ibig! Pag-ibig Fund, solid ka ba? Apply now for the Pag-ibig Fund MPL via Virtual Pag-ibig.
Champion Present, Real Talk sa labahan.
Ilang oras na? Naninilaw ka pa rin?
Puti! Puti! Pumuti ka na!
Ang intense Naya, sa bagong Champion Blue Powder, wala nang drama dahil ito lang ang may optical blue brighteners. Easy ang linis puti, wala na rin paninilaw.
Champion Blue Powder? Bago?
First ever Champion Blue Powder. Easy lang, walang labadrama.
Champion?
Grabe ang luwag ng kampo ba?
Walang masama sa paglaro ng Bingo Plus. Ang importante, you know your limits. Panglibangan lamang ang paglaro ng Bingo Plus. Hindi ito dapat nakaka-stress, nakakaubos ng pera, o nakaka-apekto ng pamilya. Bingo Plus. Tamang laro, tamang panalo. Gambling for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. Responsible gaming at Bag4.ca.
Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
Join us as the Asian Institute of Management marks its 58th anniversary with the 2026 Grand Alumni Homecoming on March 7, 2026, Saturday at the Fiesta Pavilion, Manila Hotel. Kick off the festivities at the
Dito na
Alumni
kami sa
Homecoming
Upslide,
Golf Tournament
guys.
on March 3, 2026 at the
Dito
Canluban
na
Golf
kami
and
sa
Country Club in
Upslide.
Cabuyao, Laguna. Come and play with your classmates and friends. For details, please email the Alumni Association of AIM Inc. at aaim@aim.edu. Visit our
Thank you
Facebook
for
page at
watching.
facebook.com